What's going on YouTube? Welcome to another video here on the channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube 3x3. This one feels lighter. This one feels heavier. You solve it like this. Yes. Here are all the colours: white, blue, orange, yellow, and red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colours on a Rubik's Cube. This one is pink, yet green, light green, orange, light blue, yellow, and pink. This is how to solve 2 Rubik's Cubes like this. They're the colours water solved: yellow and white, green and blue, can you get them back to the correct colours? Yeah. Pink and green, orange and blue, pink and blue. This is a squishy toy. Let's see what it feels like. It feels like a relaxing toy thing. And I knew that a relaxing toy is squishy, and that is cool, man. I'll show you. Higgs 43. My stepdad 7. Name and age on the back of my Arsenal the Gunners blue football shirt. I'll show you all. This pet tornado. It's got water in from Oklahoma. So you do it like this. Pet tornado. You can see that pet tornado when you turn it like this, and there it is, pet tornado from Oklahoma, where my sister and sister-in-law, Jade and Destiny, Ovendale Curtis are. Let's do this, everybody. Pet tornado. I want to sing a massive giveaway yet. I am playing Pet Tornado from Oklahoma. And I am playing Squishy Thing and 2 Rubik's Cubes. And you see these fidget spinners? They are nice, like that. Spin them like this. That's how you spin a fidget spinner, everybody. This is pink and this is white. Yellow and red. Spin like this. Yellow and red at the same time. Red and blue. Arsenal the Gunners colours. Can you hear the fidget spinners making a noise? Arsenal the Gunners colours, white, yellow, red and blue. And I'll see you all in the next video. And it is my stepbrother, Alan Siaka, Weasel Kiwi's birthday today, on Monday the 15th of June. And I will see you all later and very, very soon. Drop a like, subscribe, enjoy.